Hey there, YouTube fans. Mike Palumbo, the Rochelle City Court, speeding and traffic tickets, County of Westchester, State of New York. Now look, we cover the entire state of New York for traffic tickets. But I want to talk about the Rochelle City Court because there's some particular nuances when you defend a speeding or traffic ticket there. And the nuance is that the court wants the client to pay the fine on the day we resolve the case. Now, when you're represented by an attorney, we get your court appearance waived, so you're not there. So this happened it started a bunch of years ago at this point. And the first time it happened to me, the judge was like, yeah, your client has to pay the fine today. And I was like, well, you know, he lives out of state. Like, well, he has to pay the fine today. I said, okay, judge. So I called my client. I'm like, oh, look, they're saying you got to pay the fine today. I don't know, it's just a weird judge or something. Look, overnight in a U.S. postal money order. I mean, how can you say no, right? And so my client did that. And they rejected it. They literally mailed it back to him. So I called the clerk, and I was livid. Well, that's our new policy. I'm like, well, your policy is absolutely ridiculous, especially when you know they're represented by counsel, that they're not here, you know. And like, I was. It's just wrong, you know. I was just livid. I could have escalated up the chain, you know, up there's a judiciary ethics panel. There's supervision over judges in courts if you want to have it done. Then I thought to myself, let's not make enemies over this issue. So now what we do, and my law firm does now, is we go to court for you. After we resolve the case, we'll pay the fine. We'll go stand online like every other person in the court. We'll go pay your fine, and then we'll send you the receipt, and you reimburse us what we paid. So this way, rather than, you know, going to war over something I really didn't have to go to war over, and I figured out just a better way to service my clients. Haven't had any problems with it. We've done dozens and dozens of cases in there since this new policy. We just paid a fine for our client, send you a credit card payment. You know, you pay with you reimburse when we send you a receipt with a link to pay us the money, and it's done. We like to do full service for our clients, and I certainly don't want to make enemies of a court for any reason, whether it's a good reason or a bad reason. So I can picture around that and just keep everyone happy. That's what we do. So I just wanted to talk about, you know, Rochelle City Court, speeding tickets, traffic tickets. But again, we cover the entire state. So if you get a ticket anywhere in New York State, you give us a call and we can help you out. Until the next one.